Never forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Happy Sunday everyone, and welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Now today we are in the parish of Trelawny in the district of Hammersmith in Falmouth, and we are going to be showing you a new gated community called Orinduik Estate. Now Orinduik Estate are currently selling units in phase 2 of this development, and these units are 2 bedroom 1 bathroom. They're currently selling for 14.6 million Jamaican dollars, which is equivalent at today's exchange rate of 70,000 Great British pounds, 94,000 US dollars, and 119 Canadian dollars. Now, as usual, we like to show you the drive into the community. And guys, look what we saw. We saw these scarecrows. I had to capture them. When was the last time you saw a scarecrow? I think I was like a child when I last saw one. And I'm just thinking, do these things really scare crows, or is it just for decorative purposes? But either way, we thought it was a bit of fun. So here's the drive up to Orinduik Estate, and we're going to be looking at the model unit for the 2 bedroom 1 bathroom. So as you can see, some of the units have already been built and completed. We did see a few residents who had already moved in and living in the properties. But as you can see, work does continue with phase 2 of this development. So as we enter the property, it is an open living plan concept like the majority of these new builds. Into the master bedroom, which does come with built-in closet, and you can also access the bathroom from this room also. Now the second bedroom was currently being used as an office, so it's not dressed as a bedroom, but this second bedroom is slightly smaller than the master bedroom, but also does come with built-in closet, as you can see there. Now with these units, you do have the opportunity to build towards the back of the house, and you can see the space there at the back of the property. One of the requirements from the parish council is that all houses must come with a water tank. All residents must put a water tank in as part of the requirements of the parish council. This is the drive out of the community. We just wanted to show you what that looked like. There are beautiful views up here, and I think the best part about this development for me was the views. There were some great views, as you would have seen in the video. Guys, we thank you for watching, and we do hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you haven't already subscribed, please do consider subscribing, and guys, please do hit the thumbs up button, the like button. This really does help us to get our channel and our videos exposed to a wider audience. We thank you for watching, and until next time, datmisehtv.